classy. Bougie, ratchet, classy. Why ask me? Up and down. Up and down. Hello everyone, Callie Stormdoll here, and we're back with series 3 of Rainbow High. And today we're looking at Daria. And on the side of her packaging, it says that Daria's focus is music. It says music focus. And this is the back of the packaging. This is everyone you can get in series 3. And here's Daria. Yes, I have her out of the packaging. You know, recently I just cannot wait to dig into these dolls. Now I'm going to show you guys her accessories first, and then we're going to look at the doll. She comes with this very highlighter pink comb, the 2 hangers, and of course a lovely stand. And as far as her secondary look is right over there, but we're going to be trying that on her. Now let's check out Daria. So Daria's theme is definitely roses and everything like that. What interests me about these dolls is that all of them are like at the same price point. But the reason why it's so cool to collect different ones, they all come with different pieces. Before we get into this look, let's start at the top. Daria's hair is this vibrant pink color, and then it has white mixed into it. They tied up her hair into like a top bun at the front, so you have her waterfall curls just dripping down on the side, which is so beautiful. Sadly, Daria does not come with any earrings, but she does come with ear holes. If you look at her closely, you can see her face up, and it looks really, really good. Her eyes are such an interesting color because online I thought they were just blue. They're like blue bleeding into a pink, bleeding into a magenta. She does come with the real lashes, if anyone wants to see that. Her lip color is like dual tone, and she does come with a little bit of blushing. A part of her first look is this really cool jacket. It has the peekaboo on the side, these rose embellishments all over it. It looks really nice. And this, I'm not gonna lie, feels like a real jean jacket. Underneath, she is featuring this beautiful dress. Almost gives me a nightie feel. It says magic all over it, and you can see it is lace see-through, but according to MGA, they did give her a black slip underneath, which they did. And it looks like we also get a top. Now I'm going to turn her around, and bam, of course, because it's MGA, everything you see here is a separate piece. The top velcros differently from her skirt. So I love that. So if we needed another blank top, it looks like we got one. Going down to the bottom, it looks like she comes with these boots. They're black. They have the clear soles at the bottom, almost like jellies, and they have the rose detailed around it, and the detail is completely colored in. When is the last time we've seen that? Now it looks like she also comes with some real socks. Let's see how easy it is to get that shoe off. Yes, and look at this. They really gave her rose detailed socks. I mean, come on guys, 27 bucks. If you're really a fan, check her out. Now I'm gonna slip this jacket off because I'm gonna see, honey, what is this giving without? Okay, yes, Miss Daria. She's into music, so maybe her and some of her music counterparts at Rainbow High can get together and make a song, you know, do it like it's my B-day. Yes, this is so cute. Now I do want to see if this top underneath is just all white, because sometimes MGA will surprise us and throw a cute curveball in there. But no, it is a blank piece. So if anyone was looking for a blank top, Miss Daria has one. Now since we have her missing a shoe, her top is down, we might as well go into some of Daria's secondary looks. Are you ready, Daria? Let's get glam. We'll be right back. All right, we are back with Miss Daria, and we have her secondary look, and it definitely reminds me a mix of business chic and then flower after party. So far out of Daria and Gabriella, the two I've opened, they've both come with these heels, but they're like strappy heels, but the design of the heel on each one is very different. If you guys look at this, it actually has gold roses built into the heels. Come on guys, get into it. Please catch up. The roses are built into the heels and they're gold. She also comes with this purse, which is black, and it has roses on it, and it also has the gold detailing. It is a piece that opens up, but it's really tiny, so maybe you can get some smaller accessories inside. When it comes up to the skirt, it's black. It has pinstripes on it. Then it has the pin clip detailing. More roses. You can definitely see what the aesthetic is. And when you go around, you can see both pieces Velcro in the back. These are her nails for anyone who didn't get a chance to see them. And then the top has the same detail. The only difference is at the top it has these lacy bows. She has this folded down collar, the button detail, and more roses. It's really cute. Like, she's adorable. I love her aesthetic. The hair is A1. It's very soft. Very soft. Just know going into these reviews, very soft, because I'm going to review all 5 of the girls I have. And this is cute. I'm loving this look. Now, if I had to decide between this look or her first look, the first look is definitely a statement piece. So I really love her first look. The second look is more of a party. Me personally, I may kind of incorporate her back into that first look a little bit, but I really do like both of them. I think she's a very pretty doll. I was not actually sold on her originally. I wasn't sure about Daria. I only got her because my Walmart allowed me to do price check. So check her out and add her to my collection, and I'm in love with her now that I have her. I love the eyes. I wasn't showing the eyes. I love them now. The hair, wasn't showing it. Love it now. It's just everything about her. Now, I wish they would have given her like a rosebud earring. I think that would have been so cute for her. I don't know, maybe I'll try to come up with some gold rosebud earrings. I think that would have been really cute. But I want to thank everyone for watching today. If you're new to my channel, simply subscribe. Always leave me a comment below and let me know what you think about Miss Daria. Are you a fan or no? Let it be known. Yes. Now, Daria, who should we review next? Only time will tell. See you guys in the next one. Ooh.